Let's talk a little bit about summer heat care. Usually when I'm in my yard, the first thing I do is I put on my big hat. Then the next thing I'll do after that, I always use sunscreen. So I'll put on my sunscreen. Now, if I'm feeling hot, feeling thirsty, I always have some water with me. It's always best to drink water. So I'll drink a little water. And how about this idea, right? So after I drink a little bit of the water, right? How about we pour some of the water on this towel here, right? Then we can put this wet towel on your neck to cool you off. How about that? Now remember this, anytime you're out in the garden, out in the yard, if you're feeling hot, right? You're feeling tired, dizzy, it's time to go inside. We want you to be safe in the garden. So there you have it, your summer heat care. Be careful out there, folks. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.